Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to remove just another WordPress site tags from your WordPress website. So let's get started.
So if I visit my website, and here you will see this text, and also you will see this text on your browser tab. So we are going to remove this from our WordPress website. So to remove this, we will log into our WordPress website dashboard, and then from the left menu we will hover over settings and then click on general. And here you will see your website title and tagline. Now to remove this, just select this text and remove it. Now if you want to add a new tagline, just enter it here, and then from the bottom just click on save changes. If you want to change the website title, you can also do it from here. You can select it, you can delete it from here and add a new one, and after that click on save changes. So now if I visit my website, and here you can see that this text is removed from my website, and if I just hover over my browser tab, and it will show best WordPress tutorials that we have just added.
So this is how you can remove just another WordPress site tags from your WordPress website. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.